Welcome back to Mastering Payload CMS 3, Building Modern Full-Stack Applications. In this lesson, we'll delve into the Payload Admin panel, understanding its features and how it integrates with the code-first configuration approach that Payload CMS champions. Payload CMS is designed with a code-first philosophy, meaning that much of its configuration, including defining collections and fields, is handled directly in your codebase. This approach ensures version control compatibility and a streamlined development workflow. However, the admin panel serves as a powerful interface for content editors and administrators to manage and interact with the data defined in your code. Let's explore its key sections. Dashboard provides an overview of your application's content and recent activities. Collections displays the data structures you've defined in your code, such as posts or authors. Globals manages global settings or content that doesn't fit into a collection. Media handles file uploads and media management. Users manages user accounts and roles. The admin panel empowers teams by enabling non-developers to interact with the content seamlessly while maintaining strict boundaries set in the code. To illustrate the code-first approach, let's define a posts collection directly in our codebase. This method ensures that all structural changes are version controlled and integrated seamlessly into your development workflow. First, create the collection file. In your project directory, navigate to the collections folder and create a new file named post.ts. Then define the collection. Within post.ts, define your collection using TypeScript. Finally, integrate the collection. In your payload.config.ts file, import and add the post collection to the collections array. After saving your changes, restart your development server to apply the new configuration. The post collection will now appear in the admin panel under collections. With this code-first approach, Payload ensures all changes are consistent, trackable, and easy to deploy across environments. With the post collection defined in code, the admin panel becomes a user-friendly interface for content editors to manage entries without altering the underlying structure. Creating a new post. Navigate to the post collection in the admin panel. Click Create New. Fill in the fields as defined: title, content, author, and save. Editing existing posts. Select a post from the list, make necessary changes, and update. Access control. Manage users' permissions in your codebase to control who can create, edit, or delete content within each collection. The admin panel's design ensures that while developers handle structural configurations in code, content editors can efficiently manage data through a graphical interface. In conclusion, the Payload Admin panel is a powerful tool for managing content and configuring your CMS. We've explored how to navigate the interface, set up collections, and customize access control. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into Payload's advanced features, including hooks and field customizations. Stay tuned!